United Nations has failed us. United Nations has done nothing for Tibet. United Nations is in China's pocket. That's why he exposed the duplicity of United Nations. Standing in front of the United Nations headquarters, he stood in front of that and set himself on fire. And after 1.5 minutes, he collapsed. And after 1 hour, he succumbed to his burn injuries. This is not just another self-immolation. It's a reminder, firstly, to the Tibetan people that our freedom has not been achieved yet. We must still work hard. We must do everything possible within our capacity. Second, it tells United Nations, all other countries who have been trading with China, receiving supply chains from China, who have been benefiting at the cost of Tibet, that duplicitous face, hideous face is exposed. And Logha Rangzen's self-immolation says that it is time for United Nations and all international communities to stand by the cause of Tibet, because you have directly benefited at the cost of Tibet. And lastly, here is a very strong message to China. No matter whatever you do in Tibet, no matter what you can do in China, the more repressive you become, the stronger is going to be our resistance. Stronger. We may not have nuclear weapons among us, but we have a spirit. Every Tibetan has that spirit to fight, not to kill, but to die.